On February 27, 2024, an officer approached a woman who matched the description of a suspected shoplifter.
This is my belongings. This is all of my belongings.
Keep your hand out of the bag, put it down, put the phone down, and give me an ID.
An ID? For what, sir?
Ma'am, I will place you under arrest and it's
I didn't do anything.
Okay? They told me at Target you stole a bag of stuff.
I didn't steal anything,
okay,
sir.
don't argue with me. Just give me your ID and we'll figure this out.
I didn't steal anything, sir. I'm sorry to tell you that. I'm a regular citizen. I'm on the phone with my mom. I didn't do anything wrong.
Your ID.
I don't have an ID, sir. Can you come to first place right here? Because I'm being harassed by an officer. What is your name, sir?
Sit down.
What's your name?
Which one have you got a 94 around?
Yes, mom. Yeah, because I'm being harassed. I literally just came out of first watch and now Officer Justin. What is your badge number, sir?
Sit down.
Sir, what is your badge? I know my rights. I know my rights, sir.
Turn around.
Hold on, no. I'm not turning around now. I'm not turning around. What the hell?
Oh. I'm on 13, 1031. We're in front of the police station. Alright, we're going to New York. I'll call you, motherfucker. Not run! Alright.
Sir, I didn't do anything wrong. Can I call my mom? I didn't do. Ow! Sir, I didn't do anything wrong.
No problem.
I have two kids. I didn't do anything.
13, we'll have her in custody. Front of FedEx.
Sir, I didn't do anything wrong.
Put your hand on your back.
All right, my mom is on the phone.
I don't care. I got this. Spin around.
Because you were trying to detain me and I didn't do anything. Sir, please, I just got surgery.
That's your fault.
I didn't do anything wrong. You wanted to detain me
FedEx.
for no reason.
On the boulevard, we got her. Just. Don't anybody else in.
Sir,
Shut up.
y'all trying to accuse me of
Stop
something.
talking.
And I just literally came out of first one.
Stop talking.
Like, y'all scaring me. Of course I'm gonna run away.
Man, get off. Stop talking. Stop talking.
Sir, I didn't mean for you to talk. Ow!
Stop talking.
My phone.
Turn around.
Sir, my
Turn
phone.
around.
Ow, my phone.
I'm not worried about that.
Sir, I didn't do anything wrong.
Oh, up in it.
Can you please give me my...
Sit down. Sit down in there.
Can you please give
Sit
me...
down in there.
Sir, please, I will cooperate. I just want to talk to my
Get in.
mom.
You're not talking to no one. You're under arrest.
All right.
You go get my sunglasses. I'll drop them across the street.
Please, ma'am, can I just please call my mom?
Okay.
She has my phone. It's my phone right there.
I will
I just need to let her know what's going on.
But at first I need you to pat you down.
Okay, ma'am, can I tell you the reason why I ran?
Yes.
Because I felt like I was being questioned and I didn't do anything wrong.
Question by who?
By that officer right there.
Okay, so were you not just at Target?
Yes, I was in Target.
Did you do anything at Target? Be aware, don't lie, because there are cameras everywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
So if there's a reason why we're interacting with you, it's because there's a reason. So think about what you did at Target that would have had us look for you specifically,
I
because
understand.
you're very
25 years old.
specific. You have red braids, you know what I'm saying? So what did you do at Target?
I just met up with my friend at Target. She handed me a bag and I came in here first watch to use the bathroom. As soon as I came out, the
Your
police...
friend handed you a
Yes,
bag at Target?
A Spanish friend that just came from Target.
You don't know what was in that bag?
No, ma'am. It was all I saw was on top was a black coat on top. He asked me for my ID. I told him that my ID was... I don't have a... I just...
Your ID on you?
My ID should... Yes, it's right there. Right there in my bag.
Face the car, please.
This one. Please. She had my kids. I just got freaking scared, bro. I got kids.
You're not gonna have stolen merchandise in that bag that your friend gave you?
No, man. Not that I'm aware of. I promise you that.
Not that you're aware of, or not, or you know for sure that's not gonna be stolen.
I haven't even looked inside.
So what was she saying that you were meeting up for?
She just...
Yeah,
And can you write it down, please?
yeah.
What's your name?
I want to speak to her.
No.
She just came out of surgery.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi, this is Officer Bromley with the Hollywood Police Department. Your daughter, we just stopped her and detained her because apparently she was stealing at Target. They were looking at her right now. They were looking at her through the cameras as she was placing things into her bag, and she walked out of the business with all the stuff that she had stolen. Okay, so I will call you back as soon as we make a decision or we figure out what's going on. She started running from the police, and that's how we got involved, okay?
Now you're being detained as far as like pending a further investigation.
Okay, I understand I ran. I have anxiety, bro. He asked me for my ID. I told him that it was in my bag, and he was trying to basically pull the handcuffs on me, so I just like ran, bro. I've never been in jail other than last like 2 months ago over my baby dad. That's it, bro. I got a job at Wawa as a customer service associate. I have 2 kids, bro. I'm 25. I know what I have to do with my life. I just want to speak to my mom, but she's not my kid. I'm supposed to go to court today and talk to my
I mean, the biggest thing right now is 25-year-old and you got kids and they're with your mom. You know your kids are safe right now.
Yeah, your mom said she has your kids. I told her I'd call her back in like 20 minutes or so. And I'll write down your number.
Because I was supposed to talk to her because I have to go to court about something with my...
Well, right now, we're not dealing with that. You asked me if I could call her to let her know.
The number?
Yes, I will write that down. Just let us figure it out.
About for us, ma'am.
It's just my leg.
What's wrong with your leg?
I got anxiety.
Just turn this way for me, all right?
923.
What's wrong with your leg? You said.
When I ran and they detained me,
So do you want me to call rescue to come check you out? Check your foot. Do you have a cut or anything like that, or just pain? There, it's abrasion on there. Let me see it. All right, minor little abrasion. All right, that's what you got from right here.
Yeah.
All right, so you got arrested from ID. We'll take a picture. All right, you have anxiety. All right. Bravo 14. All right, just put your foot in.
Bravo 14.
Could you have?
Officer.
Yep.
Did y'all just say I had a warrant for my arrest?
Yeah, but listen. I'm gonna tell you this, right?
Yeah, big
No, I'm gonna tell you this. Where you went wrong here, and I'm not gonna. You're a big girl. I'm not gonna talk to you like a child. When you run from the cops, and that creates something that now we have to do a lot of documentation for something that could have been handled so easily. It could have been a ticket. You know what I mean? Honestly, all right. So
what was the warrant for it?
I don't even know. You're being charged for resisting without violence. He hurt his leg, all types of stuff. All right. You understand, right?
So you're going to be charged with the crime. Keep your feet in there. You're going to charge with the theft. So after we get a total of everything, it's going to be petty or grand. Depends on the total of everything.
All right.
There's video. You've been positively identified. Everything's done. And you will charge you as well with the warrants and also obstruction because you ran from the police. I'll give you clear, precise verbal commands to stop running on straight Officer Justice when he had contact with you. So with all that, now you're stacked probably your charges. Next time you better just sitting there dealing with the problem being done instead of elevating all these charges.
Right.
Okay, so sit tight and we're going to start in a few.
So what was the warrant for?
I don't know yet. They're from me. I didn't check. I'll let you know though when I'm done. Yeah, you photographed both bags. She dumped the flowery bag inside the first wash trash can. And then the item inside there was target bag. So I'm see on camera which bag was she using.
Well, she picked up the bag inside.
Yeah, so she probably used this.
Yeah.
I think so.
So she dumped it inside First Watch?
Well, that's part of target. That's it. It has a tag on it. So you can lay it all out. You want to lay it I want to take pictures of it in person. Okay. All right.
46853.
How much was it? I can go to the total now. We didn't hold it for me.
By yourself.
Don't worry.
Because the other guy this ID right here, I arrested him already. I arrested him before.
Well, she went straight here, so he might be in the parking lot. She walked from beautiful.
Yeah. I arrested him on the east side. He was beating up his pregnant sister, and they both had fentanyl on them.
Jimmy, you want to transfer to mine or you want to hang out?
I'll go back out west.
Either way.
I'm not throwing your car. I'll go back out west. I don't mind.